Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Manu Singh. I am a professional bridal makeup artist. Today's tutorial is all about underpainting makeup, the technique that creates a naturally sculpted, seamless, skin-like finish loved by celebrity and bridal makeup artists. So let's get started. Beautiful makeup always starts with a healthy skin. I am beginning by cleansing the face to remove any excess oil and impurities. Next, I will apply a hydrating toner or a mist to refresh and balance the skin. One of my favorite Fix Plus I am using, so you can use this as well. For extra glow and long lasting hydration, I am applying the facial serum. Now I am using a lightweight moisturizer to deeply hydrate the skin, making the makeup blend effortlessly. Don't forget the lips. Apply a nourishing lip balm so they are soft by the time we reach lipstick. You can also use face sculpting massager for better skin prep. Our skin is now perfectly prepped. Now comes the most exciting part, which is underpainting technique. Instead of applying foundation first, we will build our dimension underneath. For this technique, either you can use liquid or cream products as per the season or skin type. I am first apply a liquid contour on the forehead, temple, cheekbones, jawline and sides of the nose. Blend using gentle tapping motion so there are no harsh lines. Next, I like to use Hello Glow liquid filter for extra glow and blend it precisely on that area. Next comes the liquid blush. I am applying it slightly higher on the cheeks and blending it towards the temple for a lifted effect. You can even apply a liquid blush on the nose or a chin for a fresh bridal glow as per your choice. Now I will color correct and brighten the under eye area, center of the forehead, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow and chin using a liquid concealer. Blend everything beautifully until it melts into the skin. Once all blended, I am applying a very thin layer of foundation all over the entire face. Notice how the contour and blush softly show through the foundation instead of sitting on top. This creates a naturally sculpted complexion with no harsh makeup lines. Next, we will go for our eye makeup. Let's complete this look with a soft pink eyes. Brush and fill the eyebrows softly for a polished finish. Use a soft matte nude shade all over the crease. Blend a muted pink shade into the crease. Deepen the outer corner using a warm brown eyeshadow for subtle definition. Apply a soft pink matte shade on the eyelid. Highlight the inner corner. Smudge soft brown eyeshadow along the lower lash line. Line the lips with a nude lip liner and apply a soft nude pink lipstick to complement this look, or you can use the shade as per your choice what kind of look you wanted to create. Next, we are going forward for the final touches. To complete the complexion, I am lightly applying bronzer to enhance warmth. Next comes blush for a fresh bridal flush. Apply highlighter only on the higher points of the face for a beautiful natural glow and blend it thoroughly and seamlessly. Now I will lock everything in place with a loose powder, focusing mainly under the eyes and T-zone while keeping the rest of the face luminous. Finally, I would like to lightly set the complexion using any press powder only where I need it. Finish with mascara and natural wispy lashes for an elegant look. It depends if you require the lashes. And that's the finished underpainting makeup look. If you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment below what professional makeup technique you would like to learn next. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.